Are you a small business owner looking to take your production to the next level? Do you need precision, efficiency, and versatility in your manufacturing process? Whether you're crafting intricate wood designs, engraving metals, or cutting acrylics, a CNC machine can revolutionize your workflow. But with so many options out there, how do you choose the right one? In today's video, we'll count down the 7 best CNC machines for small businesses, from budget-friendly options to high-performance powerhouses. Stick around until the end because our #1 pick is an absolute game changer. Let's get started. 7. Genmitsu 3018 Pro Router. The Genmitsu 3018 Pro Router is a compact, budget-friendly CNC machine that has gained popularity among beginners and hobbyists. With a working area of 300 by 180 by 45 millimeters, it is ideal for small-scale projects like engraving wood, plastic, and soft metals. Its modular design allows for upgrades, such as adding a laser module, which increases its versatility. The machine features an open-source GRBL control system, making it compatible with various software options. One of the standout features of this machine is its affordability and simplicity. It is marketed as a DIY kit, requiring assembly before use. While this can be a fun learning experience for those new to CNC machines, the assembly process can be time-consuming and occasionally frustrating for users unfamiliar with mechanical setups. Additionally, the frame is made of lightweight aluminum and plastic, which can result in stability issues during high-speed operations. Another limitation lies in the spindle motor's power. While it performs well on softer materials, it struggles with harder materials like aluminum or dense hardwoods. This makes it less suitable for businesses requiring heavy-duty cutting or engraving tasks. Furthermore, the lack of advanced safety features like limit switches or emergency stops could be a concern for users prioritizing safety. Despite these drawbacks, the Genmitsu 3018 Pro Router remains an excellent entry-level option for those on a tight budget or looking to experiment with CNC technology. Its low price point and upgradability make it a good choice for hobbyists or small businesses starting with basic projects. 6. Longer Ray 5 Laser Engraver. The Longer Ray 5 Laser Engraver is a diode laser engraver designed primarily for engraving and cutting materials like wood, leather, and acrylics. With a working area of 410 by 410 millimeters and an optical output power of 5.5 watts, it offers ample space and precision for small business applications, such as custom signage or personalized gifts. Its standout features include a built-in 3.5-inch touchscreen, offline operation capabilities via TF cards, and compatibility with popular software like LaserBell and Lightburn. One of the key advantages of the Ray 5 is its user-friendly design. The touchscreen interface simplifies operation, allowing users to adjust settings and monitor progress without needing constant computer connectivity. Additionally, its ability to operate offline makes it convenient for businesses with limited workspace or those looking to streamline their workflow. However, the Longer Ray 5 has its limitations. The laser's power output may not suffice for cutting thicker materials in fewer passes, which can increase production time for high-volume tasks. Another concern is the lack of an enclosure to contain fumes and debris during operation. This not only poses safety risks, but also limits its usability in indoor environments without proper ventilation. The machine also includes safety features like flame detection and movement protection, but reviews suggest that these may not always function reliably. For example, some users reported issues with fire detection not triggering properly, a critical flaw when working with flammable materials. Overall, while the Longer Ray 5 excels in engraving precision and ease of use, its limitations in power output and safety features make it better suited for light-duty applications rather than heavy industrial use. 5. Genmitsu 3018 PROVerXL. The Genmitsu 3018 V2 is an upgraded version of the earlier 3018 models, designed to address many of their shortcomings while maintaining affordability. With an all-metal frame construction and upgraded components like a more powerful spindle motor and a 32-bit control board, this machine offers improved stability and precision over its predecessors. One of the most notable improvements is the inclusion of essential safety features, such as limit switches and an emergency stop button, features that were absent in earlier models like the 3018 Pro router. These additions make the PROVerXL significantly safer to operate, especially for beginners or small business owners working on intricate designs. The PROVerXL also comes partially pre-assembled, reducing setup time compared to fully DIY kits like the original 3018 Pro router. Its compatibility with both GRBL-based software and offline controllers adds flexibility to its operation, making it suitable for projects ranging from woodworking to acrylic engraving. However, despite these upgrades, the working area remains relatively small at 300 by 180 by 45 millimeters, limiting its capacity for larger projects. Additionally, while it handles softer materials effectively, it still struggles with harder metals like steel or thick aluminum sheets. For small businesses looking for a reliable yet affordable CNC router capable of handling light-duty tasks with precision and safety in mind, the Genmitsu 3018 PROVerXL is an excellent choice. Its combination of upgraded features and user-friendly design makes it ideal for those seeking a balance between performance and cost-effectiveness. Number 4. LUNYEE 3018 Pro Max. The LUNYEE 3018 Pro Max is a feature-rich CNC machine that stands out for its robust construction and versatile capabilities. With a powerful 500-watt spindle, this machine is designed to handle tougher materials like aluminum and copper, making it an excellent choice for small businesses looking for precision and durability. Its all-metal frame ensures stability during operation, while the extra-long Z-axis travel enhances its ability to handle thicker materials or more intricate designs. One of the most appealing aspects of the LUNYEE 3018 Pro Max is its safety features. Equipped with 6 limit switches and an emergency stop button, it prioritizes user protection, an essential consideration for small business owners. The machine also supports both spindle and laser modes, adding versatility for projects ranging from engraving wood to cutting soft metals. Its compatibility with popular software like GRBL and Lightburn makes it accessible for users at various skill levels. However, there are some drawbacks to consider. While the machine is easy to assemble and comes with a detailed user manual, beginners might face a learning curve when it comes to mastering its operations. Additionally, some users have reported issues with the control board and USB connection, which can occasionally disrupt workflow. Despite these minor setbacks, the manufacturer has been praised for its responsive customer support, often resolving issues quickly. The working area of 300 by 180 by 80 millimeters offers decent space for small-scale projects, but might feel limiting for larger tasks. Nevertheless, its high-speed capabilities and precise linear motion make it a reliable tool for businesses focused on detailed work like custom engraving or small-scale manufacturing. Overall, the LUNYEE 3018 Pro Max delivers a solid balance of performance and affordability. 3. FoxAlien Masuter Pro. The FoxAlien Masuter Pro is a highly versatile CNC router that caters to both beginners and experienced users. With an active working area of 400 by 400 by 60 millimeters, it offers ample space for a wide range of projects, from woodworking to engraving acrylics or even soft metals. Its all-aluminum construction ensures durability and stability during operation, while the upgraded Z-axis with linear rails significantly improves accuracy compared to older models. One of the standout features of the Masuter Pro is its upgraded controller box. The compact design includes an emergency stop button and home button that are conveniently accessible, while the dust-proof casing minimizes maintenance needs. The machine also comes pre-assembled in modules, allowing users to set it up in just 10 to 15 minutes, a big plus for busy small business owners. The Masuter Pro supports multiple spindle sizes, 52mm and 65mm clamps, and laser modules, making it highly adaptable for various applications. This flexibility allows users to upgrade their machine with more powerful spindles or lasers as their needs grow. Additionally, the inclusion of a working light on the Z-axis is a thoughtful touch that helps monitor carving details more clearly. Despite its many strengths, there are some minor downsides. The stock spindle motor is adequate for most tasks, but may require an upgrade for more demanding materials like thick aluminum or hardwoods. Dust accumulation on tracks can occasionally cause slight inaccuracies in cuts, but this can be mitigated with proper dust collection systems. Overall, the FoxAlien Masuter Pro is an excellent choice for small businesses seeking a reliable CNC router with room for growth. Its combination of precision, versatility, and ease of use makes it a standout option in its price range. 2. Genmitsu 4040 Pro. The Genmitsu 4040 Pro is a high-performance CNC router designed specifically for small businesses that demand precision and reliability. With a spacious working area of 400 by 400 by 78 millimeters, it provides enough room to handle larger projects while maintaining exceptional accuracy. Its all-metal frame construction ensures stability during operation, even when working on intricate designs or cutting thicker materials. One of the key features of the 4040 Pro is its redesigned Z-axis carriage, which facilitates easy spindle upgrades. This flexibility allows users to adapt the machine to their specific needs by installing more powerful spindles or laser modules. The upgraded Toshiba TB6S109 drivers with 32-bit chips enhance performance by enabling smoother motion control and better handling of complex tasks. The machine comes partially pre-assembled, reducing setup time significantly, a major advantage for business owners who want to get started quickly. It also includes extended function ports that support additional accessories like a 4th-axis rotary module kit, further expanding its capabilities. While the Genmitsu 4040 Pro excels in many areas, it's not without minor drawbacks. Some users have reported delays in customer support response times when addressing technical issues. Additionally, while it can handle light metal milling tasks, it's not designed for heavy-duty industrial use. Overall, the Genmitsu 4040 PRO strikes an excellent balance between performance and affordability. Its precision engineering and adaptability make it ideal for businesses involved in woodworking, acrylic cutting, or light metal engraving. 1. Genmitsu PROVerXL 4030. At the top of our list is the Genmitsu PROVerXL 4030, a professional-grade CNC router that combines power, precision, and versatility in one impressive package. With a massive working area of 400 by 300 millimeters and industrial-grade components like linear guide rails and ball screws, this machine delivers unparalleled performance for small businesses looking to scale up their production capabilities. The PROVerXL 4030 comes mostly pre-assembled out of the box, allowing users to set it up quickly without extensive technical knowledge. Its robust build quality ensures stability during operation, even at higher speeds, making it suitable for demanding tasks like metal milling or large-scale wood carving projects. One of its most notable features is its compatibility with various software platforms such as Fusion 360 and VCarve Pro. This makes it highly versatile and capable of handling complex designs with ease. The powerful spindle motor can cut through materials like aluminum and hardwood effortlessly while maintaining precise results. While there's little to criticize about this machine, its higher price tag may deter budget-conscious buyers. However, considering its long-term reliability and productivity benefits, the investment is well worth it for serious small business owners. In summary, the Genmitsu PROVerXL 4030 stands out as the ultimate CNC router for small businesses seeking professional-grade performance without compromising on ease of use or versatility. It's a true powerhouse that can handle virtually any task you throw at it. Final thought, and there you have it, our picks for the best CNC machines for small businesses. Whether you're just starting out or looking to upgrade your equipment, there's something on this list for everyone. Which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tips on taking your business to new heights.